Make a great choice today with the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power sunroof, tow hitch, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.